Driving itself. Never seen something like that before. Yeah.
This car so cool.
Excited. Amazing car on the market, and it is
1M.
1M, yeah. Move your fingers. It puts the sound up.
Here for our BMW service. Let's go in and check out some cars. But wait, first let's subscribe and turn on notification bells so you don't miss any videos that are still coming up.
Hey, what's up YouTubers? Welcome back again. We're here to service our car and we're just gonna check out some cars, and we've got our guest here today, Hax. Let's see what he's got to say. Hax, come around.
Ready? Came here. We're just a bit windy, that's why I have this on. And basically, I'm just here as a guest, and just to pop in here, have some coffee, and all that.
Let's check out some cars while we're waiting for our car to get serviced. Yeah, let's see what happens. Let's have some nice hot chocolate.
Hi guys, we're just waiting for the BMW X7. We're just having I'm having hot chocolate. My dad behind the camera, he's having latte, and my friend Hax, he's having latte as well. So I'm the
Yeah guys, we're just waiting in the service center. We just poured ourselves some coffee. Yeah, we're just gonna have some nice coffee while we're waiting. You can just check out some nice cars behind us. We are going to trial the X7, have a look at it, see what it's all about. And my man Axe, he's like scared of the camera, bro. Yeah. Let's bring him on the camera, see he's got to say something. What has he got to say? Yes, bro, what you got to say? You gotta say something? You thought it's easy, yeah?
I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling. I'm chilling.
430i. But what car do you really want to see, Mahdi?
BMW, the rarest BMW. That's the 1M.
1M, yeah? It's one of the rarest, yes. But that's why we come to see. But I believe they've just sold it just now. Literally just got rid of it. So we'll see.
Somebody bought it.
Yeah.
So that's why the next rarest is the X7.
Yeah.
And also a very quick car.
It's a quick car. It's a
But the
forward.
fastest BMW is the M5.
M5, that's it, yes. If they got one on show, we'll have a look at it, what it's all about.
So they make a version
Yeah.
that's one old and one's new. The new one's faster.
The new one's faster, yeah. What about the X5 behind you? The X5 M50D. Do you like that?
It's quick. We used to have one, but it was the X6 M50D.
Let's see, let's bring it in. Let's bring it in.
The X5 M50D.
Yeah, we got the X5. That's the M50D.
Oh, you'll get. Oh, shit.
What do you mean by Ferrari, man? That's a Ferrari.
I think you're looking at that big ass. Get me this. Get me this.
Okay guys, so we're giving our car for a service, and in return my very good friend Amit has provided this car till the duration of fixing my car, and this is probably one of the most amazing car on the market, and it is, so it's X7. Yeah, check it out. It's X7, yeah. And what series is it?
40i.
40i. It's a fantastic. So the extra option on this car is the 22-inch wheels it has. Yeah, 22-inch wheels. Body performance kit it's got on it. Yeah, it looks like that. And the price for this car is £90,695. Wow, amazing.
90K.
Let's go and check
90k.
inside.
It's got white leather interior. Amazing. Wow. It's got the sky lounge, panoramic
Crystal
sunroof.
roof.
Yeah, this car's nice.
Let's check at the back.
Bowler Wilkins diamond surround system. That costs another £2,800 just for the system.
And I didn't know this has a back seat.
Yeah, it's got. Yeah. Well, the car is obviously a 7-seater, so. Oh, it's automatic. So it goes like that. Boom. It's got 2 more seats at the back. Yeah. You just fall inside it. You just fall inside.
Jeez, man.
While I'm recording, obviously someone's calling me. Is interested? Yeah. He's my very good friend. He's Farid. He's calling me up. Yeah. I guess I'll answer him in a minute. Yeah. My man Axe, what you gotta say about this?
This car is sick. I need to get rich. I need to get rich quick, man.
Is it crystal roof?
Okay, this car is also equipped with gesture control, so you can move your fingers. It puts a sound up, and then you move your fingers the other way. Here, it puts it down. Wow, amazing! Full virtual cockpit, so which can show you also navigation and the speed. This is an amazing car. Obviously, for £90,000, it's a bargain.
It's worth it.
It's worth it, yeah.
And even with me and my dad and Hacks, we didn't know how to do automatic, and I found out right over here.
That's the automatic, yeah. That's the automatic parks
And
up
this
and
looks
everything.
crystal clear, if you can see.
Yeah, it's the crystal. That cost £500 just for that.
And this looks so cool.
It's cool. Yeah,
This
my
is
man Axe, what
definitely
you got to
worth
say?
it.
Just for that,
Yeah, just for that.
£500.
Just £500 for that.
Bro.
Yeah.
I need to get rich quick, man. Yeah, this car is sick.
This car is
And
nice,
it
yeah.
has 400 horsepower.
Oh, it's a 400 horsepower, yes,
And
correct.
this is worth £90,000.
£90,000, of course it is.
Worth it.
Yeah, it's an absolutely a bargain.
You have
This car is also equipped with reversing assistant, and check this out. It drives by itself.
Wait. How's
Check
it?
this out. It's just driving itself. Never seen something like that before. Yeah.
This car is so cool.
Yeah.
Bro, that, what the hell? What the hell?
It's doing its magic itself.
Because this car has a lot of horsepower.
Yeah.
Like,
Check this out.
that is actually crazy.
That's quite nice, yeah. 3D view. So you have the car. It shows you full what's going around there. Front, back. Wow.
Extremely cool.
Amazing.
Damn, if you want a car wash.
Okay, this car's got some amazing features. Yeah. Look at the lights. It locks automatically. Go walk back towards it, Maddy. It locks, unlocks. Walk away, walk away. It locks and unlocks.
Only is for short distance.
It's short
not
for distance,
far
yeah.
distance. Because then, like, imagine you were here. You can't distance because the sensor is not
The sensor
very
needs to
that
pick it
long.
up. Love the grill.
And it also has the button, like always.
Let's have a look. Control.
Button for the. I wonder what that does.
Let's press it. I think it's a rocket launcher. Yeah. Yeah, the rocket launcher just went. There. It launched a rocket.
Wait, let me do it again.
Yeah, see? Oh, rocket is drawing. That's a rocket launcher.
Wait.
Come on, press it. Yeah, rocket launcher there. Rocket got launched.
But this
I'm just joking, this is not rocket launcher.
messing around.
Wow,
with
we're
this
just
now.
messing around. This amazing
Go to the wall and back.
laser lighting. It's a phenomenal. Check this out. If you can see it, the laser lighting. It's a new technology. Wow. Yeah. Let's see what the back does when it's on and off. while I'm reviewing the car, look at these two guys. They're racing around. We've got the 90,000 pound car here, yeah, and these two guys are just playing around and racing around.
If we slip,
Yeah, guys, we had an amazing time. Yeah, we'll be taking this car for the week until the car gets ready. Let's see what happens. So guys, what do you think of the car overall?
Sick.
Chris, man.
Sick
Crystal
car.
clear.
You get
Let's
rich.
do everything.
Coming for it.
You
I'm
coming?
back to this garage
You coming
to
back?
get this
Yeah.
car in a year's time.
Yeah. Well,
No
we've
cap.
we've
No
got the
cap.
we've got this car for at least 3-4 days, and we'll check it out. See what's guys. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Drop a comment. Like the video.
I'm
Yeah.
ready,
See
man.
you soon, guys. Peace out. Yeah.
That's
Peace
what's
out.
up. That's what's up.
Go.
I'm with Maddie and I'm with. I'm going in.
Wait, must stop. man.
Okay. Ready? Hey. It's easy. Now you're gonna come
I messed up.
What did you do?
Because I forgot to put in your head.
I'm bad at this shit, man. I'm shy on the camera, so. Why are you moving on me, man? Leave me alone, man. Why is he moving? This guy, man, I'm going home. I'm going home.
Buddy, he can't. He thought it's easy. Yeah. It is easy.
Let's go.
He thinks it's easy.